Bassy's yawning again.
Hey friends, it's Bassy and welcome back to Bassy Learning Line. Today we have a really fun activity where we're going to learn about letter names, letter sounds, and even vocabulary that begin with that sound and letter. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun activities or even check out bassyslearningline.com. All right, let's start looking. So for our first letter, it's the letter A, of course. So you could try to look for a capital letter A, a lowercase letter A, or a picture of something that might begin with that letter. Oh, I see something. Do you see something? Yeah, take a look at this corner and don't forget, if you find something different than I do, that's the fun part of this. I found an alligator. All right, so let's do the middle part. Okay, I could see the capital A and the lowercase a. A is for alligator. A is for astronaut. What about A is for ant and airplane and apple and even acorn. Where's the letter B? Something with a B. Letter B. Whoa, over here. What about a B? Okay, Okay, it seems like we got the lowercase b and now the capital B. B is for bee, bus. What about ball? Yeah, ball. Oh, what about bear? Look at that, it's a little bear. And you could wear this on your back. Yeah, it's a bag. And even books. Where can that letter C be? That's the next letter we're looking for. Oh, you're good. Yeah, I saw that too. I also found a chocolate bar. Chocolate, yeah. All right, so let's see. Okay. Oh, okay. Here's the lowercase and the capital C. C is for, oh, yummy, yummy cake. A car. What else? A crab. Meow. A cat. Yummy carrots. And let's tell the time with a clock. All right. Our next letter is the letter D. Do you see something? Right. Okay. I see a dinosaur. All right. D is for dolphins. D is for duck. Drum. Woof woof, a dog. D is for deer and dinosaur. E is next. Ooh, whoa, there's so many things. Which one should we choose? Yeah, I choose the earth. Okay, I think we got it. There's the lowercase e and there's the capital E. E is for earth. That's the planet we live on. Oh, it's for eraser. And in the sky, you might find an eagle. Ooh, yummy, yummy eggplant. Or even an egg. Or an elephant. All right, our next letter is the letter F. I can't find it. But wait, I see a flamingo. There's a capital F, a lowercase f. F is for ribbit, frog, fish in the sea, football as a sport. What about fox? Yeah, fox. Fire. Gotta be careful. And smelling beautiful flowers. G is the next one. A, I wear glasses too. We did it. We found the capital G and now the lowercase g. G is for a gift. Yeah. Grapes. Look at those beautiful purple grapes. And on our face, we could wear glasses. Ooh, a giraffe starts with G. And gorillas. And even goats. H. What can we see? We see a capital and we see a lowercase. Let's see which letter we have. Oh, there's a capital. It's an H. Capital and lowercase. H is for house or honey. What about a hat on your head? A horse. Oh, a heart. Or even a hedgehog. Oh, where's the I wonder. There it is. There's an island and a capital and a lowercase. Whoa, look at all these things. Even delicious ice cream. Oh, look at that. It's the letter I. I is for island, ink. Ooh, iguana. Iguana. Ooh, really cold ice. Igloo. Ice cream. J, where are you hiding? Letter J. Ooh, jelly beans. All right. J is for jug. Oh, what about, jeans? Or even jam. Okay, we can have jellyfish, jelly, and juice. The K should be somewhere here. Oh, maybe it's near the key. Look, it's the capital K. Whoa, and look at that. The lowercase k is also very similar. Well, so many things here, like a kangaroo and a kite. All right, so let's see what we have. Oh, it's the letter K. K is for kite. Oh, beautiful koalas. A kayak. Some ketchup as a condiment. Oh, open things with a key. Or even a kangaroo. L. Ooh, maybe it's near the lion and the lighthouse. Whoa, they're all over here. How lovely. The capital and the lowercase. What do you see? Me too. I see that too. Let's build this one. L is for roar. A lion. M, like a magnet. Yeah. All right, let's see. What do we have here? M is for, a juicy mango, delicious milk, a moon, a mug, a monkey, and even a mouse. N is our next letter. Where can it be? Ooh, I see the capital and a lowercase. Okay, we got the lowercase letter. Now we got the capital. N is for numbers to count, noodles to devour and eat, a necklace to wear, the beautiful night, a nurse to make us feel better, and a nose to smell with. Oh, I see you. Where are you? It's around here. It's hiding, kind of. Look at that. An odd. Okay. All right. O is for owl. An oven. oysters we could find in the sea, an onion to cook with, an octopus, and an orange to eat. It's the next letter sound. It's over here somewhere. Do you see something? Oink oink, said the pig. Okay, let's build this. P is for a pig, a pen to write with, a pear to share with a friend, a panda. It could be a pumpkin or a penguin. Q, you are next. Okay. Oh, there's a queen beside the lowercase and the capital Q. All right, let's see what we've got here. Oh, okay. Q is for a queen, a quill, which is what we used to write with, quarter if you want to share with someone, a quilt to keep us warm, question to answer and explore, or a quail. Are you ready to find the letter R? Whoa, okay. There's a capital and a lowercase with a beautiful rainbow. All right, let's build this letter. R is for rose to smell, rain to listen to, a rainbow to see, a rocket, a raccoon, and even a rabbit. S is the next letter. Where's the letter S? There's some capital S's and lowercase. Okay, let's see. Ooh. S is for snake. Socks. A yummy sandwich. Ooh, the beautiful warm sun. Fluffy sheep. And a shining star. T, it's your turn now. Ooh, there's a capital, so it must be near here somewhere. And a lowercase. T is for tomato. A toy to play with. A tiger. Choo choo. A train. A turtle. And a tall tree. U is next. Oh, I see a unicorn. Yes, a unicorn starts with the letter U, like a lowercase or a cap. All right. U is for unicorn. Up, umbrella to keep us nice and dry. Utensils to cook with. A ukulele for music. Or a friendly UFO. V, you're up next, and I see that there's a lowercase and a capital. Okay, let's see what we have here. We have V is for violin, the color violet, a vulture, a van to travel, a volcano, or a vase. W. Whoa, okay, where can it be? Where's the W? Here at the bottom, take a look. It's lowercase w. All right. W is for woof, water, a worm, a window, a web, or juicy watermelon. X, we are looking for you now. Oh, it's here hiding in the corner. Capital and a lowercase. X is for Xiphias, Xerus, X-ray, X-ray fish, Xanthus, xylophone. Y, where are you? Oh, of course, look at that green Y and the lowercase y. All right. Y is for yak. Yellow, the color yellow. A yacht on the water. A yolk inside of an egg. Yogurt to eat. Or yarn to sew. Last but not least, we're looking for the letter Z or Z. There's the lowercase and the capital. Okay. We now found Z or Z is for zero, zoo, zebra, zeppelin, zipper, and zucchini. Whoa, you're a really good letter detective. You found lots of things. You found some letters, you found some pictures. You did amazing. We learned so much together. I want to thank you so much. I had so much fun, and don't forget to like and subscribe, or even visit basslearningland.com to learn a lot more. Bye.
See ya.